What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited skill points in Borderlands 2. So what you're going to need is you're going to need these two. You're going to need brute force save data, and you're going to need gibed save editor. And I'll leave a link to my last video to show you with the downloads, so you can download these things. And there's going to be 4 things you can download to make these 2 things work, and they're very easy, fast, and trustworthy. So it'll maybe take 2 seconds to download it. And then what you're going to need is you're going to need a USB drive. Doesn't really matter what kind, as long as you can put a file in there. And what you're going to need the file of is you're going to need you're going to go on your USB drive, and when you extract the file from your PS3, you'll have this file right here, and all you're going to do is copy that, hit copy, minimize this, hit paste. So just hit yes if this pops up. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so now that that's there, you're going to need to open up. You normally want to open up Save Editor first, just because it takes a little bit longer to run. And you're going to want to open up brute force save data. And you're going to want to go to these 3 little dots at the top up here. And you're going to hit, after you hit those, it'll load up. And you're going to find where your save file is. So wherever it's at, wherever you saved it at. So we're looking for the 1F2E. You hit OK. Your file will be right here. Go hit decrypt. Minimize that. Alright, sorry about that. But then you're going to want to hit open. Oh yeah, and another thing about this is, if you know you did it right when you see this down here. Just ignore it. Hash key was not found. Fallback. This hash key will be used. Just ignore that. That means it's good. So you're gonna want to open up this, and you're gonna go to wherever you decrypt your file at. So mine was on my laptop or on my desktop. So you're gonna hit that. And down here, you're gonna make sure it's your system that you're using. So you're gonna hit PS3. For me at least, and you can double click or just click it once, hit open, and it should pop up soon. And this is a modded game save that I just got off of YouTube randomly, so don't judge, just doing it because of the fact that I needed a quick tutorial. Alright, so there's your save guide. This doesn't really count. You can change it up whatever you want. You don't really need to worry about that. This is your save slot, your platform. Make sure this is what platform you're using. So it's PS3. So you're going to use that. Now here, you can change your overpowered level to whatever you want. I'm not really worried about any of this. Your level up here, sync, head, skins, name. So I'll name this Salvador. You can customize your currency, fast travel, backpack, bank, and you're gonna want to come over here to raw, and this is the main part of your game. I'll do another video on how to get free or unlimited ammo. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to scroll down until you see skill data right here. So you're going to scroll down all the way and go to skill data. Now I already have mine all filled out, but you're going to want to go through and make sure, and all you're going to want to do is if there's a 0 there, you can just put in 5, and when you get into the game will automatically just take it back down to 1, because that's the maximum amount that you can actually put into that skill point. So you're just going to go through and make sure that all of them have 5. Put 5 in every one, and it depends on how many skill points you can put in there. If you can only put in 1 skill point, it'll only put 1 skill point in there, but it'll max it out. And the max number is mainly 5. So you just want to put 5 for every one, and make sure it's the grade, not the grade point. This is the actual skill. So Gunzerking, that's the first skill you get. If you really feel unsafe about putting all 5, you can go in the game and look at you can look at the full skill tree and look for locked and loaded and put in 5 and just keep going. But yep, that's about it. Just hit OK. You don't need to worry about that. So what you're going to want to do now is hit save, and you're going to want to save it to the file that you decrypted and you messed with. So once this loads, you'll just hit desktop, which is where I had mine decrypted at. Once it loads, my computer's pretty slow, sorry. So you're gonna find the folder that you decrypted. You're gonna hit that, double click it, and you'll see your save file in there. You're just gonna hit save, overwrite, exit out of here. Now open up your brute force again, and you can hit refresh a couple of times. I don't know, some people like to do that, it helps. Okay, so here's all your information, path, save file, no real parental level copy protected, no. 2 protected files, these are here, but you don't want to mess with those. Title Borderlands 2, that's the game, the person, the character, level, and the place that you will be teleported to. And you're just going to click it, hit update. You're going to want to go to update PFD, hit update PFD full. And now when just ignore this when this pops up, doesn't really matter. Your user that you're on and your file place, don't really worry about that, but you're going to hit it again, and you're going to go to encrypt PFD, and then once that loads, you're just going to hit yes. Okay, so once that's done, you can just close it. And now, since this is the modded one, you're going to want to make sure that you know where this one's at. So you're going to open up your USB stick again, and then you're going to delete this one, because this one isn't the modded one, or for you guys it wouldn't be the modded one. You can just delete it and drag this all back over, and then it'll be the same exact characters, same amount of ammo, everything you had before you modded it. It will be exactly the same, just with a full skill tree. So hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe please. I'm a beginner, so once you're done that, you're just going to plug it back into your PS3, go over to your right above the disc that pops up to start the game. You're going to want to go above that, press X, go down to your USB, which is 1 down, hit triangle and hit copy, and it will say, do you want to overwrite files? Hit yes, and you start up your Borderlands 2, and your character will have fully loaded skill tree. So the other way doesn't work, to where you just put in a certain amount down by the first start, which I'm not going to go back into. But yeah, so that's mainly it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe, like, comment, it really will help. See ya.